Hello guys, welcome to Keyapp YouTube channel, the company that helps your applications to achieve top positions on Google Play and App Store. And today we answer the questions from you, from our customers. So let's start. So as you could get from the video preview, today we are discussing top questions from you, from our customers. We have created the list of top questions you asked about our new platform in support team and to your personal managers, and today we are going to answer them. First question I have in my notes is how to add the application to the platform using tracking link. Unfortunately, we do not provide such a possibility. That's because in general, there is no sense in tracking of keywords or direct installs because they are not organic traffic, they are not from paid user acquisition, they are tool helping you to achieve top positions. That's why we accept only direct links to your application on Google Play or App Store. So to add the application in general, you should go to My Apps, add new app, choose the store, the country, and just add the link from Google Play or App Store. The next question I have is how to add 5 or 6 or 700 keywords for one application at once. First of all, if you have such quantity of keywords for one application, you did really great job working with keyword research, because we do understand that sometimes it's difficult to find such number of keywords for one application and these keywords are relevant. But of course, we provide such a possibility. It is not a problem. And if you are not familiar with our new platform yet, I will show now, like here at keywords. You can add manually, or you can copy all of them, for example, from Google Sheet, or you can just add to CSV file or clone the keywords from another country. If you have the same set of keywords for English-speaking countries like the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, you can add them for one region and then copy for all the other regions you need. And by the way, on new dashboards, we have added the possibility to update all the keywords ranks simultaneously without any limits we had on the old dashboard. The next question I have is how to get a new price plan. As you know, on our service, we have different price plans and there are particular requirements to get the new price plan. The requirement is the sum of your top-ups on our platform. So first of all the price plans you may check here with all the prices for all the services we have, except advertising campaigns, because there you just set the custom cost per install. At the same time, the price plans depend on the sum of top-ups. So if you say that you already achieved the particular level, you can just contact our support team or a personal manager and ask to change the price plan. Also pay attention that on the new dashboard we have new price plans, like there are 4 main, like base, bronze, silver, gold we had on all dashboards, and we updated to 2 new, like platinum and diamond, and everyone can get these price plans now depending on the sum of top-ups on our service. But before you contact our team to change the price plan, do not forget to fill in the My Profile section. You can add here phone number, messengers, any information that can help us to contact you. If to be honest, if you communicated with our support team or a personal manager, you could notice that we do not spam to your WhatsApp, Telegram, or Skype. We just like to be in touch with you and communicate. So first of all, to be able to help, and secondly, to get the feedback about our service. And it's really important for us, and you may say that we provide free personal support for any customer on our service. The next question I have is how to check the volumes delivered for my application lifetime. So if you mean the volumes delivered for your application on our service, of course we have the statistics section. It is available on all platform as well, but on your dashboard there are some more filters that you can use to customize the reports, for example, according to the country, according to the date, and so on. So this should make your work with the platform and the analysis of your spendings and volumes delivered either. So one update here that you can check the spendings, not only volumes, but the spendings as well. The next question I have is how to become your partner. If on the partnership you mean the reselling of our services, we have partners program like you can contact our support team or a personal manager and say that you would like to resell our services like installs, rates, reviews, and we always are open for discussion like the discussion of better rates, and of course we have API that can help you to integrate your system to our system and just transfer the orders automatically. So about the partnership, do not hesitate to contact us. We are always open to any discussion and we are always open to provide like better rates and of course like more improved support to be able to help you to integrate and so on. The next question I have is let me choose like the one that wasn't discussed in the previous videos. Is how to add several regions to one promotion campaign. Unfortunately, if we are talking about keyword direct installs or guaranteed reviews, we have no possibility to provide several regions in one campaign because all these services are region targeted. Like if you work with keyword promotion, you promote the keywords only in one region with one campaign because the ranks are different. The same with reviews. If you order the reviews, you order them for the particular country because reviews reflected on Google Play and App Store are different for different countries. But if you would like to work with advertising campaign, for example, you can add several regions without any issues because these are ads installs and in general the ads may be shown in different countries simultaneously or even worldwide. The next question I have here in my list is what's the best way or the fastest way to top up the balance on your platform? If to be honest, that depends on you. Like we have a lot of methods of balance top up, card, PayPal, different cryptocurrencies. So most probably the most fast way is of course card, PayPal, cryptocurrencies because they are reflected on the platform at once and you do not need to wait until we receive the payment, for example, because when we work with bank transfers, of course they can take some time, but still if you need to pay with bank transfer only, that's not a problem. You can like get the invoice for the payment from our team and we can accept such payments without any issues because we understand that actually different companies may have different requirements for the payments that they do on some site services and so on. The next question I have, is there any way to receive the bonuses or discounts on a permanent basis? First of all, we need to mention price plans once again. Actually, the higher upgraded price plan is already a discount you may use on a permanent basis. So the more actively you work with our platform, the better price you get and the higher discount you get. But of course, we also do not forget about the payment bonuses. Like just check the percentages in top up balance section and you can add some more funds, for example, to get the bonus. Of course, this depends on your budget, but still we provide the bonuses on a permanent basis. At the same time, of course, each month we may have some different discounts for our services, for installs, for reviews, and so on. And still we have bonus program, like you can write the review about our service and get the bonus for application promotion. So all these details may be also discussed with our team or with your personal manager. And let me choose the final question about our service. Oh, quite interesting question. Like, if I am an ASO specialist and I would like to promote my clients using your platform, what are the advantages I may get? If to be honest, you can use referral program. Like, we do understand that it is not the referral program directly, because you just created the account for your client, for example, on your own and so on. But still, if you lead different clients of you to our dashboard, you can use referral program and create these accounts using this option. And in general, we are open for such type of partnership, because we do understand that there may be a lot of clients an ASO specialist has, and these clients also need some keyword promotion. But here, do not forget that multi-accounting is forbidden, and if you are not an SEO specialist and you just create the accounts and top up them to receive referral payments, we can ban you on our dashboard and just stop your referral program for your account lifetime. So in general, that were all the questions we had, like the main ones we chosen, but still, if you have some more, just leave them in comments, contact support team, contact personal manager, and we will discuss them in next episodes. If we answered all the questions you usually have to our support team, your personal managers, this video could last several days. But still, we really love the way you answer all the questions. We really love the way you provide the feedback about our services, about our platform. That's extremely important for us to keep in touch with you and do everything possible to meet your expectations. But still, if you have some additional questions, some more questions about keyword promotion or about our platform, contact our support team, contact personal manager, or just leave the comments here, and actually this will be the material for our next episodes.